Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. This is Adria compact. It's on a Volkswagen base. It has a 10-year guarantee, which I just noticed. It's called the Max DL, and it costs 107,500 euros. It is 739 centimeters long, 217 wide, 283 in height, offers 198 centimeters of standing height inside. Though I must admit, I feel as though I feel a bit cramped in here. I don't know why, maybe it's me. So, longitudinal bed here, singles which can be joined. We've got storage along the back, a window on either side, plus a large panoramic window up there. The storage is quite, oh, there you go, deep. I like that. What I don't like is, I'll show you from this side, this ledge. You either put something for storage or you leave it. In my opinion, that is nothing more than a decoration, in my opinion. Right. You can put the heating on when you're in bed. I think that's probably a good sign. Mind you, by the time you get up, it won't be warm yet, but at least you can put it on in bed. Maybe you sort of half wake up and go back to sleep again. There's space for your television, convenient location for turning lights on from the bed, and also a convenient look down to the front of the vehicle. Now, I felt cramped when I came in, but now I'm here, I feel a bit less cramped. But I think the problem for me feeling cramped, I don't know about these things, but somebody will know. I think it's the colour scheme. I think it's the black. And Adria uses black a lot, and I think that black makes things look smaller. Nothing against black as a colour. Only if it's used for the internal parts of a motorhome or campervan. In here we have got storage. Oh, it conveniently opens like that. It's a wardrobe. I think there's a light in there somewhere as well. I can sort of vaguely see one. And down here we've also got more storage. Yeah, 2 doors to open that. Oh, that's convenient. They've packed it full of some kit from some other motorhome, I think. And here we can make a really big bed. Up. Oh, and there's that. Comes out like that, and that goes in there like that. There you go. There's your enormous bed at the back, and I didn't close the storage thing there. Coming into the shower, we'll find it's a wide shower. We've got drainage at either side, very elegant looking, I think, in here. And here we have a false wall. I've got to say the toilet area is really nice. It's got a window in it there, storage up here, and look at this big thing here, a serious thing for hanging up your underpants when you wash them at night. I'll open this if I can. That's nice and sticky. It's a magnet. We've got this sort of looks like these toit toilets, or at least how the public toilets used to look. And there is your shower as well. Kitchen block, also quite elegant. Spice rack there, 2 burners. And there's your sink, and here's your storage. Once more, it goes back a reasonable amount. Elegant kitchen block. Here we've got a face-to-face. Personally, I'm not a fan of face-to-face, but then again, you get what you want. If some people must be, otherwise they wouldn't build so many of the things. And up here we have this table, and that's a very large table at that, for a compact van. And now in here I've just realized what the problem was and why I felt so claustrophobic when I came in. You see, I didn't think of this when I walked in. I just felt claustrophobic. Here's the reason. There's no window on that side. And to be quite honest, I did not notice when I walked in. So it was the feeling, it hit me. I think there should be a window on that side, in my opinion. Others may think differently. Having said that, we've got this wonderful skylight at the front. We've got one in the middle up there. Above me, and included in the price of quarters, is a Truma 230 volt air conditioner. You don't use that on hookup, of course. I think, oh, I mean, if they said you can have one if you want, I mean, I'd be more than pleased to take it off the hands. Let's have a look down here, see if there's anything here. Bit of storage. Double floor is, in my opinion, absolutely essential. Now, they do a number of compact vehicles. This is, without any doubt, the best of them. It's also the most expensive as well. Last year, or maybe this year, there was a lot of Volkswagens on the market. And I think that this is the reason why we often see Volkswagens being used in vehicles such as this, which are and some vehicles, incidentally, the Volkswagen is coming at a relatively cheap price. So, a relatively cheap price, same price as a Fiat Ducato or even a Citroen Jumper. Don't know how much longer that's likely to last for. My understanding is that the current Volkswagen prices are quite high. Did I show in here? I can't remember showing this. That's a wardrobe. It's a very large one. Look at that. It's a very important plus point I nearly missed. Oh, and you also got a place here to hide things like them funny sandals, flip-flop things that people wear sometimes. Magazine. You might get the dogs. Might get the dog's lead in there. No, sorry, here's the place for the dog's lead. There you go, dog's lead goes there. Window in the door. Let's come to the back, have a look at the garage. Oh, that's nice. A lot of space in there. And you've got lashing straps in there so you can lash your bikes. You've also got more space in here. It does say here maximum 200 kilos and 10 amp 12 volt fuse, and there's a 230 shore power. Connect that to your inverter if you want. I'm not going to touch that as there's a wire coming out of it. Probably the Hoover will stop working. Okay, right. Is there anything here I failed to say? 2 sleeping places. No, that's it. I think I said everything there. I think I said. And okay. All right, it's a new vehicle, obviously. Good points of it. I'm thinking about the good points, right? The bad points is it does definitely give a feeling of claustrophobia as you go in. I think they could do something better about the colour scheme, but I mean, obviously there would be a choice if one bought it. The size is a very positive point. I mean, it's the width, the compact nature of the vehicle that is very good. I mean, it'll help people to drive. I also think there's a lot of storage possibilities in there as well. Nice bathroom. Personally, I don't like the face-to-face, but okay, that's very much my opinion. There you go. I think I've said a bit. I'd rather have this compact though than any other compact they do, but then again, the other compacts are 1/3 cheaper. All right, I'm going to get out of the way of this gentleman who's doing the hoovering. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.